Welcome back. Today, we will show you how to easily create an account on our website using your email address. First, let's go to the profile picture located in the top corner. Click on it, and then select Sign In. Next, type your email address into this dedicated field. Once done, click on the Continue with Email button right here. Now, a verification code will be sent straight to your inbox. Open your email app, look for our latest message, and copy the code. Alternatively, you can just click the direct login link. Now, paste the code into this box and click Verify Code. As you can see, your new account is successfully created and ready to use.